This is the other bicolor, black tag, no white chest mark whatsoever. Also similar, notice the brown on the side of the cheeks, right here, you see that? And brown on the feet, right here, brown, but black up top and brown toward the bottom, you see that? Brown over here, but black otherwise, because bicolor is nearly black except the bottom of the feet, but it has the side cheeks like the black and tan, because a bicolor is actually considered a form of black and tan, except it looks almost all black. But this is not all black, are you? You're a bicolor. Zoom in. This is dark green. She's also a bicolor, as you can see. All black except for the cheeks right here are brown. There's a white chest mark. You see that? She's yawning. She's like totally relaxed. Handling the elevation so well. You're so chill, aren't you? Your sisters are crying because they're a little hungry, but you're so chill, huh? Yes, that's me. I'm not your mama. I know. You're gonna go get your mama in a few minutes. Yes, I know, white chest mark. And she's also very relaxed. See? Yawning. Alright. Can you zoom in?
Okay.
Look at that. Zooming in. Are you so chill? Are you chill? Are you chilly? This is a bicolor. You can see it, she's all black except right here the cheeks are brown. You see the cheeks? And the bottom of her feet are brown right here. You see that? And the brown over here. This is called a bicolor. And bicolor is actually an extension of black and tan. It's called a black and tan point. And a very slight white chest mark. Look how chill she is. She's so chill. She's elevated. And elevations are considered stressful for a dog at this age. But look how chill she is. Totally content, handling the elevation, and she's like, okay, I'm so chill. I'm so chill. Yes, baby, you're chill. Alright, we're putting this baby.
Recording.
This is with a red tag, a sable female. We call her Big Red. Hello, baby. You're such a calm one, aren't you? Yes. And notice the dark on the back. And what happens is, as the sable color fills in, the whole color will become this color down the whole body. So right now, it's only that black stripe on top, but then this will become the color as she gets older, and then the color will change yet again later on, because sable gets darker as it grows. Yes, baby, aren't you sweet? Can you zoom in on her face? Yes, you're such a sweet one. Look how calm she is. Look at that calmness. Oh my God. Oh, you're so elevated, so high, and you're so calm. Yes, you are. Okay. And this is pink tag. Very similar to orange tag and red tag. So these are the sable females. We previously did the black females, or in most cases bicolor females. Notice the traditional face mask. This is a copy of Bailey. This looks just like her. Because the face mask looks like Bailey. Look at the chest. See the dark chest? The other one's had a lighter chest. See, this one's a little bit of a darker chest. But like her sisters, she also has the black across the back, which will become the color around the entire coat eventually. And this is a sable baby, and look how calm you are. Look how calm you are. You're such a calm sweetheart. Elevation doesn't bother you? No. Yes, it doesn't. Okay. Alright. This is her sister, Orange Tag. And Orange Tag is a traditional face mask. Look at the face mask. Look. Right here. You see that? So she's sable, but she has a very traditional face mask. And also the black stripe across the back, which will become the color as that color goes down the rest of the body. And in shepherds, darker is better. You want what are color dilution genes. So sable, black, bicolor. These are actually desirable colors. Liver is not desirable. That's a color dilution gene. So you don't want liver. And you want colors which are darker, not lighter. In the shepherd, you want deeper pigmentation, not less pigmentation. Yes, yes. You see my big nose? Yes. My big nose is big? Yes. Okay. Okay, baby. This is Orange Tag. This is Violet, tagged male. I said there's 4 males in the black family, 3 females in the black family. I'm going to do the sables and the blacks separately by gender. So we're now on the male pups. These are all males we're showing right now. So this is Violet tag, also bicolor. Notice the otherwise all black, but the brown on the paws, the brown on the cheek. Can you zoom in on the cheek? Can you zoom in on the cheek? Can you see the cheek? See the cheeks are brownish? So this is considered a bicolor. Yes. Yes, you are. You're gorgeous. You're nice and calm. Okay. The yellow tag puppy is the only puppy purely black, not a bicolor. See? No white chest mark. You see that? No brown paws. No. This is the only all black puppy, not a bicolor. The brothers are bicolors, but yellow tag is all black. Yes, you are. Yes, you are. Yes, you are. Okay, we're putting you down. Light green tag. Light green was the firstborn puppy. You were firstborn, weren't you? Yeah. You were firstborn. Your mom outside the window is complaining. She thinks you're doing something for the pups. Yes, yes, we're complaining. Yes, we're complaining. Yes, we're complaining. I understand. Now, the green tag puppy has a little bit of white feet, but this is also considered a bicolor. All right, buddy, you're going back down. Yes.